So, AI music. I recently discovered this platform called Audio that lets you generate AI music for free. When I say free, like completely free, no pricing fee. You can generate songs with lyrics, you can generate songs with just instrumentals. And I've tried to generate songs in different languages with it, and it worked. I've generated music in Igbo language, music in Europe. It's crazy. It's really crazy. Let me show you guys what it looks like real quick. So this is the website Audio. If you go here and you click on pricing, you'll see that it's completely free to use. Completely free. 1,200 songs a month. I am going to go back to the home page and show you how to create real quick. So you click here and then you just tell the AI the kind of song you want. I want a amapiano type beat. Here, if you leave it in auto like this, the AI is going to override what you asked for and basically give you something that you might not like. So I usually switch to manual. So I want it to manually, create an amapiano type beat for me. For lyrics, you can add custom lyrics. You can just do instrumental or you can do auto. If you do auto, it will generate the music with its own AI voice. I want to do instrumental. Then I'll click on create. Then it tells me that it's generating. While that is happening, I am going to go to my creations because I want you to see the ones I've created before. So this is an Igbo song I created earlier. Let me play it and let's hear what it sounds like. This is another one called Time Go Tell. He thinks say he be the one way they rule the world. But time go tell, as he go see, he go find. So our amapiano music has finished generating. Let's play it. If I like the song, I can just go ahead here where it's playing at the playing bar, click on it, then come up here to the options section. I can remix it, extend it. I can also download it or just share it with a friend. So I'll click on download and boom, it starts downloading. This is freaking awesome. If you pay close attention to the music, especially the ones recorded in other languages, you can easily tell that it's a bit wonky. You can tell it was created by AI, but I still find this tool very interesting because it has the ability to create its own lyrics. Do you know how awesome that is? There's so many things you can do with this tool, really. One of the things I discovered is that you can also publish your music, from that tool, and you can also download the created music as a video instead of audio. I'm guessing you can upload the video to pretty much anywhere. There are so many things you can do with this tool. I would advise you to use it wisely, whatever you decide to use it for. And I'd like to know what you think. What do you think about this AI tool? Let me know in the comments.